as we seen, and ate pastas in our home and restaurants in regular basis, but do we know the facts behind the pasta food? In this video we going to see complete details about pasta, history and origin of pasta, and different types of pasta. It's going to be very useful, so kindly watch the video till the end. Let's go to the video. Pasta. Pasta is a type of food typically made from an unleavened dough of wheat flour mixed with water or eggs, and formed into sheets or other shapes, then cooked by boiling or baking and usually served with a sauce. Each types of pasta differs in size, shape and sometimes in color. Let's see how pasta is made. The main ingredient of pasta is flour, usually made from durum wheat. Durum wheat flour provides smooth dough by adding eggs sometimes. Water and oil are to be added to the flour, which is then mixed to a smooth dough and kneaded lightly. Adding egg will gives the dough flavor and color. Once the pasta dough has been prepared, it is rolled out thinly, cut into the desired shapes and left to dry out before cooking. Once it is completely dried out, it can be stored in an airtight container. Let's see the history and origin of pasta. Did you know that pasta originates from China? Yes, some references says it's from China, however there is no clear proven evidence has been found about pasta history. While some historians believe pasta originated in Italy, most are convinced Marco Polo actually brought it back from his epic voyage to China. The earliest known pasta was made from rice flour and was common in the East, which is used as a noodle-shaped rice pasta in Chinese region. In Italy, pasta was made from hard wheat and shaped into long strands. It brings this ancient food much closer to modern-day spaghetti. However, the earliest Italian version was likely a bit closer to vermicelli. Meaning of vermicelli is little worms. Spaghetti comes from the word spago, which means string or twine. There are so many types of pastas, which we had seen in markets. Let's see the basic 10 different types of pasta. Pastas are classified into two, as per the size of the pasta. Let's see all of them. 1. Small type of pasta. 2. Long type of pasta. Let's see the 5 basic long pasta types first. 1. Spaghetti. Spaghetti is one of the most well-known types of pasta. It's a long, thin, and round noodle that pairs wonderfully with a multitude of flavors. Spaghetti cooking time is 8 to 10 minutes, and it pairs well with tomato or puttanesca sauces. 2. Papadull. Papadull means to gobble up. Papadull noodles are similar to fettuccine in that they're flat, but papadull is wider than fettuccine. While it's not usually a household staple, papadull is a popular type of pasta for hearty meat sauces like bolognese. Cooking time is 7 to 10 minutes. 3. Linguine. Linguine means little tongues. It is a long, thin, flat linguine. Noodles fall somewhere between the thickness of fettuccine and spaghetti. Linguine is the best known for its ability to complement clam-based sauces and other seafood dishes. Cooking time for linguine pasta is 9 to 13 minutes. 4. Fettuccine. It means little ribbons. The flat, ribbon-like shape of fettuccine makes it a sturdy pasta that can hold up to a variety of sauces. It's one of the best-known pasta for the popular dish fettuccine alfredo. It goes well with cheese or vegetable sauces. Cooking time is 11 to 13 minutes. 5. Capellini. Capellini means fine hair. Capellini, or more commonly known as angel hair pasta, is one of the thinnest types of pasta with a diameter ranging between 0.85 and 0.92 millimeters. The long, delicate strands of Capellini pasta are best paired with light sauces, as the noodles will get lost in something like a hearty meat sauce. Cooking time for Capellini pasta is 5 to 6 minutes. Let's see the 5 different small types of pastas. 1. Penne pasta. Penne means pens. Penne is a classic pasta type and pantry staple. The short, tube shape and hollow center makes it suitable for all sorts of sauces and pairings, from chunky meat sauces to delicate creams. Cooking time is 9 to 13 minutes. 3. Orecchiette. Orecchiette translates to little ears, because the pasta's concave shape resembles like an ear. The indent picks up vegetables or whatever else it's paired with, making it a great carrier of stronger flavors. Cooking time for this pasta is 9 to 12 minutes. 4. Macaroni. Everyone knows this kid favorite pasta. The tube shape of macaroni pasta is perfect for cream sauces or anything with melty cheese because the hollow inside fills with whatever it's paired with meat, cheese, or vegetable sauces. Cooking time for macaroni is 8 to 10 minutes. 4. Farfall. It means butterflies. The fun shape of this pasta earned it its nickname, bow tie pasta. Farfall is a versatile pasta shape that can be used in most recipes that call for a short pasta. It pairs particularly well with meat and vegetable dishes. Cooking time is 13 to 15 minutes. 5. Fusilli. Fusil means rifles. Fusilli gives any dish an unexpected twist with its spiral shape. These short noodles pair well with nearly any sauce, but they also make great summer pasta salads that you can bring on a picnic or to the neighborhood potluck. Cooking time is 11 to 13 minutes. It pairs well with meat or cheese sauces. I believe these informations about pasta will be useful for your personal knowledge or at work. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch more video like this, subscribe my channel Hospitality Doodle and click the notification bell to get all my video updates.